Hello, my creative friends. I have spent the past month working on a big announcement video, but it's taken forever, so I thought I'd make a quick little pre-announcement video to get this train rolling, and then I'll show you how it all fits into the bigger plan later with the next video. So announcement number one, I am launching a new free weekly live stream show every Thursday at 2 p.m. Los Angeles time, right here on this YouTube channel, starting on June 3rd. My goal is simple. I want to get you from unproduced screenwriter to produced screenwriter. So each week we'll do a deep dive into a different aspect of screenwriting: the art, the craft, the business, the strategy, the mindset, all of it. I'll teach you what I know, we'll discuss it, I'll answer questions, and we'll get you unstuck and inspired each week to write. Then, if I can build a team, I want to start doing interviews, show movie clip examples, look at famous screenplays to show you how it's done, and maybe even start giving feedback again on your work and highlighting your successes. I want this to become the screenwriting show, a 2 to 3 hour interactive experience that's both entertaining and deeply informative and gets creative people like you to follow through on this extraordinary craft. But for the first month or so, as I figure out the tech, it's going to be more like an open conversation about all things screenwriting. And what I'd really love is for you to participate, to join me live, no matter what level you're at or where in the world you are. Ask questions, tell me your problems, let me know what you want this show to be. I've been teaching every granular detail of this stuff for 22 years now, so I can meet you at whatever level you're at. Whether you're a complete screenwriting newbie or an award-winning professional, I want to cover it all. But to actually get you from unproduced to produced, we really need to go beyond the basics. So I've also been thinking about how to get new and struggling writers up to speed quickly, which brings me to number two. Back in the early 2000s in Sydney, Australia, when I couldn't find any screenplays to produce, I sat down and put everything you need to know before you write your screenplay from the producer's perspective into a jam-packed 12-hour in-person workshop I called the Weekend Screenwriting Workshop. The idea was to get anyone, even if they know nothing about this industry, so clear on the essentials of screenwriting they could dive into their project on Monday and start writing material someone like me could actually use. The problem is, back then, YouTube didn't even exist yet. Streaming wasn't a thing because the internet was too slow. So there was no Netflix and no Amazon, no Hulu, no iTunes. Even the iPhone was still 8 years away. But those very technologies have transformed the whole industry. How you break in, how much opportunity there is, what kinds of stories we tell. It has all completely changed. So I've decided to go through and completely update and overhaul this workshop to address the new realities of today's screenwriters. Now, this accomplishes two things at the same time. Number one, you get a solid, cutting-edge understanding of this craft and how to build a career today, which means when you join us on the live stream, you'll have better questions and we'll be able to go much deeper. We can go beyond the basics. And then number two, you actually help me build all this. See, I pour every dollar that comes in right back into new tools for screenwriters. So when you sign up for the weekend workshop, I'll use those funds to build a team, to expand the live stream show, and to start building the bigger piece of this whole puzzle, which is the other announcement, which I'll save for the big video I'm still working on. So, June 3rd, we start the live stream show for free. Absolutely everyone is invited right here on this YouTube channel. And in the meantime, if you're new to screenwriting or you've been struggling at this for years, the Weekend Screenwriting Workshop, completely new for 2021, is now available on demand from weekendscreenwriting.com. And In case you're wondering, it would take me between 3 and 6 months of the live stream show to cover everything that's in the workshop. So let's dig in and go even further. Now, we're about to take this channel to the next level, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to make sure you get notified when we go live. And let me know in the comments if there's anything you want to learn or see on the live stream show itself. And if you're looking at me right now and you're going, who is this guy? You want to learn a little bit more about me first. Here's a video that gives you a bit of my story. This video down here is something that YouTube is going to recommend. And over here is a direct link to the Weekend Screenwriting Workshop. Head over there now and let's save you years of struggle. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.